All right, here we are at 403 Commodore Limehouse. Another beautiful two-story balcony. What we're gonna see here is the same exact floor plan as the last house. It's in really good shape though. They got like a little wallpaper of a bunch of maps from Martha's Vineyard on here. Interesting. Again, nice big island. These are Whirlpool appliances. Maybe not as nice as the GE, but pretty close. Big tall ceilings. Now the difference is going to be a good bit of, what's in the rear of the house. It's partially fenced in. So you got it all fenced in here on the side and in the back, but not yet fenced in on this side over here. So you can finish that off by fencing in along the side, but this is gonna be the vibe of the backyard. They also have this, looks like they added this covered area for a little hangout so the rain doesn't get you, which is a really nice thing to protect your back door as well. A little brick paver walkway from the garage to the house itself. If you fence this in, it's gonna be a little backyard. I wouldn't say certainly enough room for a dog to run around and go to the bathroom. But there's parks nearby where a lot of the kids go to play and hang out. I'd have to take a look at this air conditioning unit. It looks a little bit older. And it's loud. So that condenser might eventually need to be replaced. I know you can't tell this through the video, but it smells really good in here. They got something going on. It smells good. I appreciate that. A little extra detail here. It's nice. So again, exact same layout, just everything's in reverse from the last. Nice little bonus is they do not have carpet at the top of the stairs. This is what they stage as a small room, is like a little home office. No carpet. This is the only room with carpet. This is the guest room, and it's in perfect shape. The full bath, really nicely done. Cultured marble vanity, all the same as last house. Laundry room is in perfect working order. It looks all good. These are laminate floors up here, which is really nice. Ooh, a little funky wallpaper. There you go. Same exact room as the last house. Okay. Tall ceilings on the second floor. Really nice walk-in shower with the seamless glass shower door. You got the rain head shower. Separate vanities. Nice framed mirrors, a little extra detail with the vanity lights. So there's some extra finishes in this one that the other house didn't have. Little linen closet. Just little details like the frame mirrors, the vanity lights, the nice ceiling fans. This one also has the double balcony. And here you're overlooking a pond from the front, so no one in front of you, which is super nice. Pretty nice view out the front porch here. Give you a panorama view here. Back inside, see if there's any surprises in the owner's closet. Yeah, nothing really. Just able to see it a little bit more better. Less clutter. This is a really high-speed internet through here, so you get fiber optic and it all goes right to this panel. So this is where your Wi-Fi, this is kind of like a smart hub for the house. You'll have low voltage wiring come through there, and they do use, I believe it's either Cat 5 or Cat 6 fiber optic wiring through here. Very nice. It's a good looking house. For you, I think you'll just need to add a fence to the back and discern whether or not it's a big enough backyard for you. But I'll give you an idea one more time off the back of the house what that looks like. And you know what, we'll get a peek of the garage while we're here too. So big 2-car garage. Now the last house had a driveway going all the way to the garage. I got to show you what the driveway looks like here. That's a big difference. There's almost no driveway here, because you're on an alley. So I'll go behind here and show you what that looks like. Now, I live on an alley as well, and I actually enjoy an alley lifestyle. It kind of helps bring a lot of your neighbors together, and kids often are hanging out in the alley, you know, skateboarding and hanging out and doing some fun stuff. But yeah, you can see your driveway. It's long enough for you to park your car in there, but 2 cars max for sure. Yeah, just get a fence right here. All right, I'm gonna walk out through the front. We'll end the video from there. Yeah, soft closed drawers as well. Yeah, lovely home.